are the East African Court of Justice. We are set up under the Treaty of the East African Community, and our main job is to interpret and apply the treaty. We were able to trade, we were one community. But to achieve that, we must have equal standards. Are we together? Equal standards. The way standards operate in all these countries should be relatively the same in terms of politics, in terms of governance, in terms of human rights. And therefore, this court is put in place to ensure that the peoples of East Africa are treated equally. We are here in Bujumbura for two main reasons. The first one is to ensure the visibility of the court. Not everybody has been to Arusha to see how the court operates. Now the people of Burundi, and in particular the people of Bujumbura, have the opportunity to come and see how the court operates. That, I think, will give confidence to the people of Burundi that the integration process can be policed over by a court, so that if there is any violation, the court is there for the peoples of East Africa. So that is the first one. The other one is to popularize the court, because we want to assure you that as part of the integration process, you have access to the court if there is a problem. Secondly, we have taken this opportunity because the treaty allows us to hold our sessions here. The people are going to benefit from the following. They are going to vindicate their rights if there is a violation. If your right has been violated, then you can come, just like you can come to a normal court in Burundi and say, I want a neutral person to help us to resolve the dispute. It can be between your own government and a partner state, and a citizen. Or it can be a citizen here and a citizen in a partner state in another country. So we are able to do a little bit more because of the treaty than what a domestic court would have done in Burundi. So for example, if your goods are confiscated in Uganda, where will you go if the truck belongs to a national of Burundi? And the treaty says there should be free movement of goods and what? And services. You come to us. And we look at the treaty and we say, no, Uganda. The treaty says free movement of goods and services. Why have you held this what? Truck. So the benefit is that there should be free trade. There should be free movement. There should be sharing of services. And I think that is an important benefit to the ordinary person in Burundi. There is nothing unique about Burundi. Burundi is a partner state within the East African community. I've already told you that similar sessions have been held in Tanzania and also in Kenya. Next time we will be in Juba, South Sudan. Another time we will be in Kampala, Uganda. It is just a question of negotiation. Who is more ready at that particular time to receive us? And in this case, Burundi was willing to receive us.